సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss the coupled oscillators. Coupled oscillators. Coupled means the combination. Coupled means combination. Coupled oscillators means a system consisting of two or more harmonic oscillators. Coupled oscillators means a system consisting of two or more harmonic oscillators. These oscillators interacting with one another is called coupled oscillators. So that system is called coupled oscillations. So coupled oscillators mean a system consisting of two or more harmonic oscillators interacting with one another is called coupled oscillators. That means a system consisting two or more. So this is the simple harmonic example of the simple harmonic motion. This is the bob. This is also another bob. This bob, this type of vibrations, this bob, this type of vibrations. This is the example of the simple harmonic motion. This is also example of the simple harmonic motion. These are two individual simple harmonic motions, individual oscillators. Then the coupled oscillator means this is the bob, so this is the coupled oscillator. This is also one harmonic oscillator. This is also one harmonic oscillator. These two harmonic oscillators interacting with one another. So this is the totally coupled oscillator. So its definition is also if energy is transferred from one oscillator to another oscillator when they are joined is called coupled oscillator. If energy is transferred from one oscillator to another oscillator, so this is the coupled oscillator system. The energy transferred to another oscillator when they are joined, రెండు కలిసి ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ కపుల్ ఆసిలేటర్. అంటే రెండు కలిసి ఉన్నప్పుడు ఒకదాని ఎనర్జీ ఇంకొక దానికి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంటే దానిని కపుల్డ్ ఆసిలేటర్ అని అంటారు. కపుల్డ్ ఆసిలేటర్ని తెలుగులో యుగ్మిత డోలకాలు అంటారు. లేదా సంయోగ డోలకాలు అంటారు. కపుల్డ్ ఆసిలేటర్. కపుల్డ్ మీన్స్ కాంబినేషన్. Some examples. These are examples of coupled oscillator. These are examples of coupled oscillators. our first example is the two masses, that is the m1 and also m2, attached two springs k1 and k2 and coupled to each other. This is the first oscillator, this is the first oscillator, this is the another oscillator. These two oscillators coupled to each other with spring k. So this oscillator attached with spring k1, this oscillator attached with spring k2. These two springs are attached m1 and m2. So total these two oscillators attached with spring k. This is the coupled oscillator, an example of the coupled oscillator. Next, second, another example, two simple pendulums. This is the simple pendulum, this is the simple pendulum, this is the simple pendulum, this is the simple pendulum. Their bobs, this is the another bob, this is the another bob. Their bobs are attached each other by means of a spring k. This is also coupled oscillator, this is also coupled oscillator. Next example, this is the LC circuit. This is the capacitor, this is the capacitor, this is also harmonic oscillator, this is harmonic oscillator. These two are combination of these two LC circuits. This is also oscillator, this is also oscillator, this is also coupled oscillator, this is also coupled oscillator. These are LC circuits. Another example, LCR circuits, same as LCR circuits. LCR circuits means this is the LC, another LCR circuits. These are all LCR circuits. So these are circuits are examples of coupled oscillators. So in these examples, this is the mechanical coupled oscillator, this is also mechanical coupled oscillator, this is the electric oscillator, this is the electric oscillator, this is the C, this is the R, this is the L, LCR circuit, this is the L, this is the R, this is the L, this is the R, this is the C. LCR circuits, LC circuits, LR circuits, these are all circuits are examples of electric oscillators. These two are mechanical oscillators, mechanical coupled oscillators. These two are electrical coupled oscillators, these two are mechanical coupled oscillators. Next, properties of normal mode oscillators of coupled oscillators. Properties of normal mode oscillations of coupled oscillator. Coupled oscillator they have constant coefficients. They have constant coefficients. They contain only one dependent variable. Already they satisfy uncoupled equations of motion. Uncoupled equations of motion means before they coupled, before they joining, before they combinations, these two harmonic oscillations are individual equations. That means uncoupled oscillations. Next one, the expressions of energy equals to total kinetic energy plus potential energy. The next property is the normal modes can be excited by external oscillator sources. External oscillatory sources. The properties of normal mode oscillations of coupled oscillators are clearly observed. First one, they have constant coefficients. They contain only one dependent variable. Okay, third one, they satisfy uncoupled equations of motion. Next of all, the total energy equals to kinetic energy plus potential energy, each normal modes of coupled oscillators. Next one, the normal modes can be excited by external oscillatory sources. These 5 are properties of normal mode oscillations of a coupled oscillator.